Elon Musk ghosts India, a new Tesla factory. Investment here is the list of the best made in India cars 2024. There was a time when many foreign car makers would import their cars, but today, most of them have their manufacturing units in India. Even luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and BMW manufacture their cars locally to keep their costs down. So, if you are looking to buy a car that is manufactured domestically, here is a list of 9 made in India cars that have managed to strike the fancy of the Indians quite successfully. Kia Sonet. Currently, among all made in India cars from the Korean car maker, Kia Sonet is the best-seller car. Maruti Suzuki Brezza is expectedly made in India. It is also the first Suzuki-branded car, which was designed and developed entirely in India. The Brezza has turned out to be one of the most successful Maruti cars and is the arch-rival of the segment leader. Tata Nexon has etched its name among the most successful cars in Indian history. One of the strongest reasons behind this is the fact that the Nexon became the first made in India car to score a full 5 stars in the global NCAP safety test. The groundbreaking success of Nexon had earned a 5-star GNCAP rating and thereby promised solid passenger safety. However, the Nexon offers way more than a formidable body. It is good-looking, packs many upmarket features, and delivers the segment best ride comfort. All of this makes Nexon the most value-for-money car in its segment. Volkswagen Virtus. Honda City. This car is not only made in India, but also loved in India. Launched in 1998, the Iconic has been the longest-running car in Indian automotive history and still is the best sedan for Indian family requirements, established as the gold standard for creature comfort and overall ride quality. The Honda City packs sophisticated interiors and all modern-day essentials for a relaxing drive. Hector Jeep Compass. Elon Musk's Tesla to enter India soon. Let's hope and wait.